Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Chat with Ask AI application as a translator. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page and then tap on the translator button, which is the third option. Here you can see the preset sentence. I will speak you in any language and you will detect the language, translate it and answer in the corrected and improved version of my text. My first sentence is hola, but you can delete this text and for example ask the AI to translate a sentence. Type in translate this word, for example, or sentence or anything related to translation. Type it in and click on the send button on the right side of the screen. So here you can see the generated response. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.